Hi there. Hey, I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today we're making one of my favorite cookies. It's a ginger cookie. I remember my mom used to make these for me. Not this particular recipe, because her recipe was full of wheat and dairy, but this is so delicious and I wouldn't know the difference. However, this particular cookie, it's won all kinds of cooking awards. So I think it's even a little better than my mom's. So let me show you what goes in this. So almond flour, so of course it's gluten-free because it's me. We don't eat gluten. And then this is a little cassava flour. Now cassava is a root, but by putting a little cassava flour in this, it just makes the cookie a little bit softer. We're going to put in some raw cacao. This is the purest form of chocolate. Now for this cookie, it's all about really looking at making it flavor, making it pop. So I'm not only putting powdered ginger in, about 2 tablespoons, I'm putting some fresh ginger in too. This is going to be so good. A little bit of salt and some baking soda. Oh, and ginger. I wanted, by the way, most people, here's a little knobby ginger, they peel the ginger before they put it in. I don't peel my ginger. It's way too much work. All I do is cut it. I cut a big piece of it and I cut all the ends. Some people would think that's wasteful, but I think it's my time and it's just really easy that way. So I recommend you just cut off the extra peel instead of taking your time to really peel it. So much easier. We're going to use some cinnamon, about a teaspoon of cinnamon, some coconut oil, throw all that in. And of course you'll have all the recipes in the dessert cookbook. And here's some black pepper, a little maple syrup because we don't use processed sugar. And then I'm going to put in my absolute bomb, just the most incredible spice that I know. It's cardamom. Cardamom is so good for you, so good for your digestion. So we're going to throw that in. And then 1 egg. That's all that goes in it. And we're going to blend it up in the food processor. So close this up. Okay, now the ginger cookie dough is all blended up and it's in here, but we're going to add something to it. You know, the recipe calls for candied ginger, but I don't eat a lot of sugar and I don't like to add sugar to things. So I'm going to use a juice sweetened cranberry. I'm going to throw just a handful of this in just to make it a little bit more yummy, a little bit more delicious. And then I'm going to mix this all in and I'm going to put it on a parchment lined baking pan. Now parchment is fabulous because things don't burn, but the best part is very, very little cleanup. I don't have to clean up much when I use my parchment paper. So I'm just going to roll these in balls and kind of flatten them a little bit and then put them on my parchment lined pan. I'm going to spread them all out and then I'm going to show you the finished product with my sticky fingers. No, I'm going to wash my fingers. So I want to talk to you about something that's really near and dear to my heart. It's happiness. Everyone wants to get happier. It's fun. In my nutritional consultations, hey, people come to me and we do a nice drill down to really dive into not just what they're eating, what's eating them. And the biggest thing my clients want, the wonderful people that come to me for nutrition, the biggest thing they want, it's to get happy. So I'm going to give you a tip on how to make your life just a little bit happier. You need to have gratitude. I invite you to have gratitude for all the big things, all the little things, and the miracles in your life. Just be grateful all day long and fill your heart with love. You're going to be one of the happiest, one of the healthiest people on this planet. Try it on. I'd love to know how you enjoy it and what happens with you. So please share with me. Share it in the comments below. And if you like this, share it with your friends because it's important to really share the love, right? I'm going to put all this out and I'm going to come back and show you what the finished cookies look like. So I'll see you in a minute. Ginger cookies, ginger cookies, ginger cookies, yum, yum, yum. Hey, we've got the completed ginger cookies, and they are fantastic. Oh my goodness. Check them out with the cranberries and the ginger. These are just going to make your mouth pop, make them sing, and they're actually healthy. They're good for your digestion. So enjoy, make them, enjoy the cookbook, and let me know how the recipes go for you. Please add it to the comments below. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. And more importantly, I help you to love yourself. So go love yourself. Share this video if you like these cookies. Tell your friends, because we all want to get healthy and happy and love ourselves up together.